Hi guys, good morning. I'm talking with my head. Some of you guys wanted to see the hair. Here's the hair. I just wanted the hair to pack it so that Kikuche week. Anyway, guys, I'm going to say this again, and this is probably the last time. I would like you to save this video, save my words, and I don't ever want to speak about this again because I've said it. But I think because I've said it 2 years ago and a year ago, and this content maybe is like far on my timeline, you can't see it anymore. But guys, I've said this and I'm still saying it today. I'll never go out of my marriage because of cheating. Please get that and believe it in your heart. I think the problem is that you're not believing me. I've said this and I'm saying it again. When I started the movement, my husband that, a year ago, 2 years ago, I've told you this, and those are still my words. I don't understand why now we still have to discuss cheating. Promise's husband is cheating. Promise's husband cheated. Guys, what must I do because I've told you? And that's why I want to tell you guys again. The reasons that will make me go out of my marriage will be my own reasons, other than cheating. There are other reasons that I can go out of my marriage for, other than cheating. The other big reason that I'll go out of my marriage is when my husband says, Kelo, and I've said this, I remember, I said, ke monga ditaba tlo ntšhanka mo le ena ampotsa re sesi ba sa rena ema mo fologa mo a kena choice so tlo ke fologe. For whatever reason, I can't push her hair. What I'm put her one Tompi's bed, taking a Tompi, or send you a step more because I don't have a choice more. I have to step out. And be rest assured, when I step out, whether because of my reason or my husband's reasons, I will cry. Give me time to cry because I'll be hurting. I will cry and I'll come back and tell you that, or because of 1, 2, 3. Don't think that I'm not going to I'm not going to come back here and explain, but I won't just come and explain myself because I'll still be hating. I have to go through it. And don't ever think for a day in my life I'll come here and do divorce content. I believe in marriage. That's why I'm married. I believe in marriage. I'll never do divorce bitter content. Nah. So please, this is me saying, out there. When I started this, and I told you guys that my husband cheated and I did not leave. I did not leave. Now the very same cheating is being used as if it's an ammunition against me. But guys, it's me who said that. It's me who said that. And this is me saying, I'm giving you or whoever permission for years to come, for as long as I'm married, for you to post my husband, which is your boy, which will be your boyfriend or is your boyfriend. I don't know about you. I don't know about anyone. As I stand here, I don't know about anyone. So it will help you to introduce yourself to the world as my husband's girlfriend. So please, angene anyway. Akikene filo. And if unara ke tlo paka peke because of wena or lena. Wrong. I don't mince my word when I speak. Whether little hey, what the self no, this self feeling now my thing is this. Now my thing is this, and I've said it. The reasons that will take me out of my marriage will be my husband, will be me with other reasons than this. And I will come here and tell you. So please save this video. It will help you to save this video. So that you feel and this is me giving you a permission now going forward. Post them to because we spill on if now no post because we close the with the nature now. The post the lay and a little content. Nine on Florel. When it na ugasinch. Is a fact. Ugasinch. Unless mutower hour. Na ke wana ntompi le gore ke bona na le ntompi because I ke nna a re ditse dilo tse le di dirang a re ditsebe. That's why ke nna ke emetse thada ya go tla go bona di picture and ke sa eme poster. So ke tsona tse batho baka I came here online. Like if you listen to Gogo's Koteni, the first podcast I've done was with Gogo's Koteni, go and listen to that. I started telling my husband that now it's all narrative podcast about marriage and family dynamics. That is where we are now. So a re se ke tle ga mentshana diwetse batho ba ka mantswe ka ke ona awe a sa eme gona mowe le se ka tle le fela le tla mo video. I'll pin this video actually le na le kwemos. But anyway, this is the last video I'll make. I don't want to hear the jab. I'll pin this one.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Promise Makonyane uthi yena nendoda yakhe oba right kabi, and she's saying ukuthi as long as indoda yakhe ngakasho ukuthi yona isamfuna utohlala oyimshadweni, uthi dzala khuluma ukuthi ngeke ashiye indoda yakhe mhlambe because ichithile, meaning ukuthi she's telling us ukuthi noma ingachithi indoda yakhe yena uyohlala, and telling the husband futhi ukuthi noma ungachitha baby akunankinga chitha sithando sami mina ngidohlala ngeke ngihambise ukuthi uyachitha. I mean, what kind of nkulumo is that? Nkulumo lenjani leyo? Mara is she desperate ngaleyo ndlela for umshado ukuthi azathi noma ngachitha umuntu wakhe ngeke azahamba amshise ukuthi uyachitha? Imagine ukuthi lo bhuti uyochitha kahle kangakanani knowing very ukuthi umfati wakhe noma ngachitha ngeke amshiya. I really think ukuthi hayi lapho nje uyeqela yini promise ngale nkulumo yakhe. Iyangibhora. It's not the first time ngiva ekhuluma and uhlezi ayigcizelele izivindo lenhle ukuthi ngeke ashiye indoda because of ichithile. Kugula kakusabi shothi akananzaba nokugula, into nje la ifuna ukuthi aprovele emhlaba ukuthi ngeke mina ngihambe emshadweni wami because of iside chick. So bekube nema-rumors lathi uPromise indoda imshiyile, they are getting a divorce. Siyakhumbula na owami Wanda nema-video wahleka because naye uPromise ukwakhuluma indzaba yokuthi bantu laba divorcewako basuke badifunela ukuthi badivorcwe. Why bangawulweli umshado wabo? Why bangawulwelanga umshado wabo? So most people are happy ngokuthi bamdivorce, but ugele yena uyayiphika leyo uyayiphika yokuthi yadivorcewa, uthi yena akayadi, and she's saying ukuthi noma ngabe indoda yakhe yachitha noma ngabe side-chick khona fine, phila kahle, uposte wena nemuntu wakho, meaning wena ne-husband yakhe. I promise uthatha kancane. Honestly speaking, Promise akadihloniphi because why uthathe ngale ndlela mshado? Why njengoba ushadile ufila ngazuthi yikho into lengenda yena nendoda yakhe bahlukane? What do you mean noma engachithi indoda ngeke umshiye? Isidima sakho, what about isidima sakho? Kutihlonipha kutithandza kokuphi lapho? I really understand why owami bahleka lo nto batandona akatithathi serious, akatithatheli nje enhloko. Naye le ndoda ngeke izingamthatha serious. Mfati lo njani lothi noma indoda yami ngachitha ngishiye? Ukhuluma uzotshela emhlaba wonke, hayibo kanjani manje? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.